Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The confidence about the political leadership of Obama was back to the observers at the end of last week. The authority of the US president suffered due to the fact that the representative of the Republican Party was elected as the senator of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts last week. Besides, Obama failed in guaranteeing the reappointment of Ben Bernanke to the post of the FRS chairman. With that, the optimistic report about situation in country, with which Obama appeared on Wednesday, in particular his more reserved comments towards the American banks, helped to convince investors in the fact that the president did not lose his political intuition. Moreover, Bernanke obtained the sufficient number of votes in the Senate in order to guarantee his re-election. This, in its turn, excluded the significant risk of instability at the financial markets. The appointment of new and unknown chairman of the FRS at this stage of economic recovery was presented as essential negative factor for the stability at world markets. And the prospect of such events' development led to the weakening of investors' propensity to risk. Nevertheless, there is another very important factor testifying in the favor of that the strengthening of investors' risk appetite can become steady. It is referred to China. During several weeks, the participants of financial markets fear that Beijing intends to increase the interest rates in order to avoid the economic overheating of the country. Each hint to the tightening of the monetary policy or indication that the People's Bank of China is trying to limit the crediting. Market participants were appraising as the base for anxiety concerning the revival of world economy and reason to turn back to the asylum currencies again. Nonetheless, the assumptions of participants are wrong. The actions of the People's Bank of China do not represent the sharp tightening of the monetary policy. The crediting was limited because for the first 3 weeks of 2010, the Chinese banks achieved the rate of 20% from their target crediting volumes for 2010, and that is why they have to limit the crediting. In this case, the revival of the world economy should have more stable nature, and investors should feel themselves more comfortably with the purchase of the risky assets, which recently they got rid of. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.